Ay, alam mo, sa totoo lang talaga, nahihiya ako.
Nahihiya ka because wala kang silbi. Nahihiya ka. Come on, kaya mo yan, babe. Kaya mo yan. Nahihiya ka because puro ka lang paninira sa administrasyon. Kalaban ka, bi. Nahihiya ka because pro-China ka. Nahihiya ka because, sabihin mo, gamitin mo yung muso mo, bi. Gamitin mo! Nahihiya ka. Nahihiya ka because kapag may mga sakuna, shh, come here. Gusto mo maganito? Tubok mo ako ng flight, kahit saan. Kahit saan lang para makatakas ako dito. Nahihiya ka because? Nahihiya ka because, sabihin mo na, bi. Powerful ka pagdating sa teleport. Nahiya ka because wala kang kwenta, wala kang silbi, wala kang konsensya, wala kang puso, puro ka lang atay, balon-balunan. Nahiya ka because pag may mga bagyo na, ay bi, naka-teleport ka na, andun ka na bi, naka-ninja moves. Naka-kokay mo, ano ka pa, hood. Papunta ka pa sa kung saan-saan bi. Are you not aware that if the president is busy, you should be you should be around. Diba? Dapat nag-oversee ka din, nagmo-monitor ka din, nag-check ka din. Diba? Para interconnected kayo. Hindi yung kakalabanin mo. Kumbaga, sa Pilipinas, pabigat ka. Di mo ba nagigets pabigat ka? Sasabihin pa ng mga DDS, ba't naging pabigat? Eh, siya nga nagbubukas ng mga mata. Anong bukas ng mga mata? Nagsasarado ng mga utak nyo. Nakapadlock na nga, mayroon pang super lock. Guys, level. May pin code pa yung mga utak ng DDS. Kahit harap-harapang ilatag na sa inyo ang lahat ng mga ebidensya. Naka-close your eyes. Ganun. Diba? Umangat ka. Angat. Nakakabaliw na. That's the reality. If the president is not around, kasi andun siya sa ibang bansa, negotiating, making friends, diba? Gaining investors sa bansa natin. You should be here. Hindi yung nakikikompetensya ka pa sa travel vlogger ka, bi. Hindi pwedeng wala na ang president. Wala ka man lang. Yes, as I said from my previous videos, we have executive leaders. But you should be the one. Diba? To at least oversee by the absence of the president. Wait lang ha. Can you please tell me what are the responsibilities of the Vice President of the Philippines?
The Vice President of the Philippines mainly supports the President and can be assigned specific duties by the President. They can be tasked with roles in the cabinet, lead special government programs, or represent the country in diplomatic matters. If the President is unable to serve, the Vice President steps in as the acting President.
But it seems that Sara Duterte wants to be the president of the world.
That's quite an ambition. While it's common for politicians to have big aspirations, leading a nation requires focus on national interests, not global domination. But if someone appears too power-hungry, it could be a concern. Ambition should be balanced with a genuine desire to serve the people.
You know what? You're so helpful. Hopefully, if my viewers will hear this, they'll be proud of you. AI, you're the best.
I'm really glad to hear. Thanks for the kind words. If your viewers have any more questions or topics they'd like to explore, I'm here to help. Take care and talk soon.
Thank you. Diba? AI na mismo ang nagsasabi, B. Sara Duterte should have an obligation to do. Actually, if diplomatic yung yung aim niya papunta dun sa ibang bansa, then it can be valid. Pero hindi. She is causing rebellion. Oh, that's true. Di ba andun siya, sinisiraan niya yung government, binabanggit niya pa yung San Juanico Bridge. Regardless, wag mo na sanang banggitin. Hindi naman essential di ba?